In this video, I'm showing you how to use open invoice and collection style reports in QuickBooks Online Advanced to get a clear, action-ready view of who owes you money and what needs follow-up. Start from the left menu and click Reports, then head to the Standard tab where the built-in reports live. Search for Open Invoices, sometimes shown as Open Invoices or Open Invoices and Credits, depending on your setup, and open it. This is essentially your collections report because it lists unpaid invoices grouped by customer with balances due. Next, set the date range to match your process. Use the current week or month for routine calls, or widen it to capture everything outstanding. The aging columns still help you spot what's current versus 30, 60, or 90 plus days past due. Hit Customize to add the columns that matter most, like due date, terms, aging, balance, and memo, description for context, and if you track classes, locations, or sales reps, add those to assign follow-ups faster. Keep it clean, then save, so it's ready in one click next time. Subscribe for more QuickBooks workflows that save time and stress.